Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We have washed and clay barred the car. That should be plenty for most new cars, but over the years, the clear coat will develop scratches from bird poop that is so acidic it will etch the clear coat, or rocks hitting your car. So now we have to use a random orbital with a moderately gritty compound to smooth everything down. Let's get those set up. I started working on this side already. Here's the compound I use and the random orbital. I'll do 4 pea-size amounts. Start at a 1 setting for each panel, and then I will do 2 or 3 more pea-size amounts and go up to a 5. I'll do half of the hood so you guys can see the difference. Let's see if we could get this on the camera. This side is looking pretty good, but if you kind of scoot over here, there's still a lot of water spots that we will compound out. Let's finish up so we could get to the polish. I have compounded the whole car. Next step is to use this polish and that wheel to do the whole car again. I have been using the same 1 to 256 ONR as a little bit of lubricant while I've been compounding. We'll do the same as we polish. The polishing goes a lot quicker than compound because compound I will go up, down, left, right 4 to 5 times, whereas the polish I will do 2 to 3. We have a new microfiber towel. These 2 I use to clean up the compound. Don't want that coarse grit getting mixed in with our polish fine grit. Let's finish the side of the car. All done with the polishing. Last step is to apply this wax on that foam pad. It should be even quicker because I don't have to do 2 to 3 with the polish and 4 to 5 with the compound. I only need to do 1 to 2 passes to cover everything. It has been about an hour. That is how long it takes for this wax to dry and cure. We're going to grab a new microfiber towel. Well, it's not new, it's clean. I don't buy new ones for every car wash. I reuse them and wash them after. I have wiped off all of the wax. So happy with the conclusion of our auto detailing journey. And I know this is not the content you guys are here for, but it is DIY. We love our Outback video number 69 done.